is the writer. The poem is If Thou Must Love Me, Sonnet 14. Huh? Sonnets from the Portuguese. Let us see. If thou must love me, let it be for naught. Okay. Let it be for nothing except for love's sake only. So, only for love's sake, you will love me. Okay. Do not say, I love her for her smile, her look, her way of speaking gently. So, एगुड़ा सब बंद करो. Don't say, eh? So don't say that I love her for her smile, for her looks, for her way of speaking gently. ताले कौन कहिबो? So do not say this. Then what to say? है ना? अच्छा. For a trick of thought that falls in well with mine. And thoughts brought a sense of pleasant ease on such a day. The shorts लिख लो SERTS. Certainly. अच्छा. So he's telling, don't say I love her for her smile, for look, for her way of speaking gently. For a trick of thought that falls in well with mine, that falls in well with mine. Okay. So a trick of thought. It's a trick. That's a trick of thought. That falls in well with mine. And certainly brought a sense of pleasant ease on such a day. अच्छा, pleasant ease on such a day. And से कहू चाहूँची, for a trick of thought that falls in well with mine. तामाने मो पाखरे एमती गोटे थॉट अच्छी बोली. हाँ, नहीं कहूँ. So I love her for her smile. Don't say I love her for her smile, her looks, okay, her way of speaking gently, for a trick of her thought that falls in well with mine. माने मो पाखरे ये थॉट टा अच्छी. Common thought. तामाने से कहूँ जे मु एमती भाबुची. है मु एमती भाबुची बोली तमे भाबनी. You don't do that, right? से कहूँ ମୁଁ ଏମିତି ଭାବୁଛି ମୋ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ରେ ଏମିତି ଅଛି. So I am telling I love her because of her smile. You don't tell. That certainly brought a sense of pleasant ease on such a day. Okay, and that brings a pleasant ease. That means brings pleasantness, right? In me. But you don't do that. If you love me, then okay, let it be for naught, except for love's sake only. है ना? तुम्हें not for, let it be for naught, let it be for nothing. Okay. So से भगवान को कहूची, for these things in themselves, beloved, may be changed or change for you. So से कहला, for these things in themselves. For these things in themselves, beloved, may be changed or change for you. Okay. For these things in themselves, ये जो जिनसे उड़ा अच्छी smile and all this, okay? In themselves, these things in themselves, तांको भीतर जो smile अच्छी, beloved, may be changed. से कहूची ये बिलव टा बड़ भी करती भगवान को कहूची है may be changed. They may be changed. And change for you. And तमें change करियो तक है तमें ही भगवान तक चेंज करो है बुझीपार कि and love so rot ये rot माने written हाँ नहीं rot written लिख लो written elaborate and love so rot may be unwrought so है ये जो love so made like that may be unwrought so माने एगुड़ा भी पुणी बदल जो है so unwrought माने that love will not be love. Okay. So neither love me for thine own dear pities wiping my cheeks dry. Okay. Neither love me for thine, माने your own dear pities. Pity is wiping my cheeks dry. अच्छा. Neither love me for thine own dear pities wiping my cheeks dry. Neither love me for thine own dear pities wiping my cheeks dry. Your para eta. So neither love me for your own dear pities. तमर निजर गोटे पिटी अच्छी दया दया जोगु वाइपिंग माई चिक्स ड्राई हाँ दया जोगु तुम दया जोगु वाइपिंग माई चिक्स ड्राई मो चिक्स रे अच्छी लुह तम दया देखिक भी मो मुहरु लुह पोछनी है क्रिएचर माइट फॉरगेट टू वीप हु बोर है दाई कंफर्ट लॉन्ग बुझीपार नहीं क्रिएचर माइट फॉरगेट टू वीप गोटे क्रिएचर केबे कांदी भी न पारे मे फॉरगेट टू वीप हु बोर योर कंफर्ट लॉन्ग तुमर जदि कंफर्ट से पाइबो बहुत दिन लॉन्ग बहुत दिन तुमर जदि से भरोसा पाइबो से बेले बेले कांदी भी न पारे बुझीपार नहीं बट लव मी फॉर लव सेक that everyone thou mayst love on through love's eternity. Hey Rohan, सुनो. But love me for love's sake, a love's sake. love रो कारण रु तमे मते भल पाओ. That हला evermore है यू मेस्ट लव ऑन तुम सब लव करूथिबो थ्रू लव्स इटर्निटी. ओके सो लव्स रो गोटे इटर्निटी अच्छी है इटर्निटी माने कौन माने अनंत माने जोटा सब सरेनी सो थ्रू लव्स इटर्निटी से लव्स इटर्निटी देइगिरी तमे ताकू तमे मते भलो पाओ नॉट बिकॉज दैट एक तमे पिट्टी देखिकिरी वाइपिंग माय चिक्स ड्राई मोर पोछिकिरी है a creature might forget to weep who bore the comfort your comfort long है जड़े जदि मु भी तमर जदि कंफर्ट पाइबी मु सबुदिन मुझे कांदिबिनी एंड लूज योर लव देयर बाय तापर हसबिनी हाँ एंड लूज योर लव देयर बाय तापर तमे मु लव भी कौन छाड़ी जो है बुझीपार नहीं कारण मु अधिका खुशी हो गले भी आ तुमको भूली जी बुझीपार ना नहीं से कहला लिखा है देखिए कोट तार ये हाँ ता ये टा पूरा माने समरी टा एठू हाँ एठू को जाए तब से कहूची the poet asks her lover हाँ ହେଲା not to love her for the sake of apparent love ଏଠି ସେ ଏଟା ଦାଉ ମାନେ ଲଭ ତା ଲଭର କୁ କହୁଛି she wants him to love her not superficially but with genuine and unconditional love ହେଲା so love sake only for nothing but for the love sake she asks him not to love her for her smile for her looks she says this because she knows that her appearance and good looks will fade with the passage of time. For that a trick of thought that falls in well with mine, and short, ହେଲା ମାନେ ସେ କହୁଛି ଯେ ଏଇଟା କହିଲେ for a trick of thought, that means she reveals that the way of thinking which may mislead a person, trick of thought. हाँ एटा माने से कहूची एवढा कहिकिरी गोटे ट्रिक ऑफ थॉट दैट फॉल्स इन वेल विथ माइन तामाने हाँ एठी दउछ देखो तेणु सी नोज दैट सी हर अपीयरेंस एंड गुड लुक्स अच्छा सी देन टेल्स हिम नॉट टू लव हर फॉर द वे शी टॉक्स or for her pleasant voice. He asks him not to love her for the qualities which certainly give him a sense of comfort on a particular day. For a trick of thought that falls in well with mine, okay, and certainly brought a sense of pleasant sin on such a day. यारी जोगु ए ट्रिक मोर अच्छी बोली हाँ ट्रिक माने क्वालिटी है ये जो अच्छी बोली है तुम्हें मत एटा कहनी है she is pointing out here that there is so much more to love than just what it appears at face value. She rejects being loved for qualities that could fade in their appeasement, fade in their appeal for him. She feels that if he loves her for only those attributes which his love for her would diminish when her superficial qualities fade away. You know, it लिखला or these things in themselves, ହେଲା beloved माने ता beloved को कहूची ता जहाँ को ये जो कि पुआटा को कहूची may be changed in themselves माने एवड़ा ये निजे जो look may be changed or changed for you and love so wrought may be unwrought so एटा भी अच्छा in these lines the poet tells her lover not to love her out of अच्छा एटा पिटी को पड़ेला ओके एटा unwrought love so wrought जदि सेउडा न रहिबो मे बी अनरट होला जदि लव टा बुणा हेची तयारी हेची यार जदि यारी जोगु हेची ताले एटा मे बी अनरट आल्सो होला काना एटा हेतिले एटा सेटा न पाइले एटा खराब हे जो ओके सो नाइदर लव मी फॉर योर ओन डियर पिटी स्वाइपिंग माय cheeks Acha. In these lines, the poet tells her lover that not to love her out of pity he feels for her. She says this because